Hey guys, today doing a bike check. My brand new Kink Barrier 2012. Okay, so let's start from the front. Start with these tires. We have a pair of dual starter tires, 2.2, tan wall, tires. Alright. Shoes. Now, we have some, oh crap, I gotta think, I don't really know about this bike really. Alright, we got a Mission Echo shield front, it's a Mission Echo front hub, it is shield. They got a shield, but I'm not that great, so. Alienation black tube ring. There's a sticker in here somewhere. It's right there, but yeah, whatever. We got a steel peg in front. Stock forks. Just Kink Barrier. Kink. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So we got. Oh no, never mind. It's a Kink Strike fork. Yeah. Okay. Now we go to the handlebars. There's a Kink Uptown pair of chromoly bars, Kink Uptown chromoly bars, 8-inch rise. So nice. Okay, so we'll go to this. Oh, sorry about. Forgot the grip. Kink Alpha grip. Okay, so go. Actually, pick up the bike. Go to the stem here. It is a Mission Talon. It is a Mission Talon. What's it called? Mission Talon stem and a Mission Field integrated headset is in there. So yeah, yeah. Right. So obviously, Kink Barrier 2012 frame. Okay, so now come down to cranks and everything. So we have a pair of Mission pedals. They are metal, not plastic. If they are plastic, I'd be so happy, but they're not. But Mission Moment aluminum pedals. So they are aluminum, but yeah, the metal pedals. Okay, so we have a pair of 3-piece cranks, and the Mission Transit 3-piece cranks. They got Mission Shield Spanish bottom brackets. So then we have a Kink Decimal 25-tooth sprocket, a 25 KMC chain, silver. Did I say something? We got another steel peg, steel starter tires, tan wall. Okay. Let's see, so. Then we got the shield. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Stuff happened to it. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I skipped the seat. It's a pivotal seat. It is a Kink Esper pivotal seat with so yeah, it's cushioned. It's not that plastic. It's padded. You can tell from my hand for you. Padded. Okay. Let me just. I'm not gonna hit the precious crux that my dad is in love with. There we go. Sorry, dropped the paper. And so we got a Mission React Field 9-tooth driver hub back here. And again, The rim is a Kink Barn. Sorry about that. TK Barn. And Alienation backseat rim. And yeah, it's a Kink Barrier 2012. Sorry, I don't know that much about it yet. I just got it. So comment about this bike and Merry Christmas and fail. Stuck in the toolbox. To fail. Alright, see you YouTube.